non Custos fingar ille Cretum, non si pegasseo ferar volatu, non ladas ego pinnipesque Perseus, non resi niveai citaeque bigai, ade huc plumipedas volatilesque, ventorumque simul require cursum quos iuntos Cameri mihi dicares de Hephaestus tamen omnibus medullis et multis languoribus peresus essem te mi amice quaeritando. Not if I were formed as that guardian of the Cretans, nor if I were born by the flight of Pegasus, nor I the runner Ladas or wing-footed Perseus, nor had the snowy and swift steeds of Rhesus. Add to these other feather-footed and flying creatures, and ask as well the swift course of the winds, which, bound together, Camerius, you might offer to me, still exhausted in every part of my being, and with much weariness totally consumed I would be from searching for you, my friend.